Hi guys, so for this project we'll be using a 5.5mm crochet hook. The first thing we're going to do is make a slip stitch and chain 3. One, two, three, and then we will slip stitch into the first one, chain 2, find the center, and then single crochet 10 in there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slip stitch into the first one to finish the row, chain 2, and then we will single crochet by 2 in each of the stitches here. So 2 here, and then 2 in the next one, and so on until you finish your row. And to finish the row, we will slip stitch into the first one, chain 2, and then we will single crochet by 2 in every other stitch. So 1 in here and 2 in the other one, and then 1 and then 2. One, two. Okay, and you will do that for the entire row, and then I will show you what to do next. One in here, 2 in the next one, and then we will slip stitch into the first one, chain 3. Okay, so this is where we begin the pattern. So we'll go 1 front double crochet, we'll go in here, and then 1 back double crochet, front double crochet, back double crochet, front double crochet, back double crochet, start to look like that. Seems a bit big, but don't worry about it. It just looks like that right now, as the pattern's trying to take shape. Okay, and to finish the row, you go into the third chain of the first one, and then you will slip stitch. Okay, and then you will start a new row. So you will chain 3, and then you will front double crochet. Let's see this one. Just the first one that's a little bit tricky. Okay, that's the front double crochet, and then we will do the back double crochet. Front double crochet. Back double crochet. Front double crochet, back double crochet, 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 When you get to this point, you will slip stitch into the third chain of the first one, like that. And chain 3 again, and continue to do this until you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 rows. Okay guys, so when you get to the last 3, you will chain 1, 2, 3, turn your work around, and then you will back double crochet in the back double crochet, and then you will front double crochet in the front double crochet. back double crochet, front double crochet, back double crochet, front double crochet, back double crochet, front double crochet, back double crochet, and then we'll go in the third chain of the first one, and we will double crochet. Chain 3, turn your work around, and do the same thing over and over again until you have 10 rows. So front double crochet, back double crochet, front double crochet, back double crochet. Continue to repeat these same steps, and I will check back with you later. Okay guys, so when you finish 10 rows, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you'll turn your work inside out, and you will join these two sides. But first, expand your last stitch, put your yarn through it. Okay, we take our crochet hook on our first stitch on both sides, chain 1, and we go back here to the next one, and here, wrap the yarn around the hook, pull it through, slip stitch. Go in here and in here, pull the yarn through, slip stitch, and continue to do that until you finish. Expand your last stitch, put your yarn through it, pull, cut the yarn about here, and loose the ends. This is how the finished project looks like. I hope you like it. Please share and subscribe.